Parjet, your advanced sealing solution provider. With more than 30 years of experience, we are more than just manufacturers of high-quality sealing products. We are also your reliable problem-solving partner, offering a wide range of sealing products and springs. We are dedicated to helping you create values through one seal at a time. Starting off with our raw material management. All materials are carefully stored in controlled environments prior to the production. The materials are then used for the PTFE tube production. With an extensive array of on-site molding techniques, we are capable of manufacturing a wide range of PTFE tube sizes, extending up to 1,500 millimeters. With a comprehensive stock of polymer and elastomer tubes in-house, we can meet with the diverse demands worldwide. Available sizes up to 2,000 millimeters. Our CNC machines are specialized for seal production with an extensive database of standard and customized profiles, allowing fast and precise machining of seals up to 1,500 millimeters in diameter. With more than 10 CNC machines, we provide a reliable supply of seal solutions, transforming emergencies into peace of mind. Next, product quality control has always been our top priority. We maintain stringent production controls to ensure consistent excellence. Through our R&D capabilities, we are able to perform various material analysis, from particle size distribution for incoming material inspection, to differential scanning calorimeters for semi-final product quality control, and other material composition analysis equipment such as thermogravimetric analysis and Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy to further study the material compound. We can also perform material mechanical properties analysis through Universal Testing Machine. It can simulate the tensile strength under the environment of -70 to 250 degrees. Then, our multi-contact tri-biological tester can help to estimate the sealing life expectancy, along with our dynamic mechanical analyzer that analyzes material composition. Combining all our R&D equipment with our customization design capabilities, we are able to provide the optimal sealing solution based on different applications to meet specific operating requirements and ensure optimal sealing performance in diverse environments. We manufactured over 10 million seals every year, with more than 30 years of experiences, and sold to over 2,100 clients worldwide. Parjet, your advanced sealing solution provider. Your trusted partner in success, today and for the future.